Hi, Trevor here with OnlyVans. Today I'm going to show how to replace the diesel fuel filter on the OM651 4-cylinder diesel engine. It's a little bit different than the OM642. It's pretty straightforward. I'd say easier than the V6 diesel fuel filter. So tools you're going to need: flathead screwdriver to remove the airbox, spring clamp pliers for the fuel clamps, pick tools. These are the two that I use. So I'm just going to get right into it. So first thing I want to do, remove this jump terminal, remove your oil filler neck, undo your airbox, pull your airbox up, get this elbow out. Go ahead and flip the airbox over, tuck it up out of your way like so. Next you'll remove this engine cover. I always just set it right up there. And then here's where the diesel fuel filter sits. So a couple things to note. Your vent hose is right here. So go ahead and disconnect that. Pull over on this tab. Doesn't matter if you break it since you're replacing it. The new filter comes with that same hose. Take your flathead screwdriver. Skip that step for a sec. So, take your pick tools. This is the one I use. So, you go right inside. Like so. Give it a twist. Now to release the fuel the clamp. And then next I always stick my pick right inside there. Scooch it off the inlet and outlet of the fuel filter. I'll kind of just get my pick underneath the fuel line like that. Work it loose. And then you can even take your screwdriver again. Just kind of push on the line like that. Working your way around to not tear it. It's gonna leak fuel. So if you want, you can kind of like prop it up out of the way, keep it vertical, that way it doesn't leak as much. Kind of same thing with that one. Now, go ahead and release your electrical connector. Try not to break it, and then you can kind of push on the edges, get it freed up. Let it go. So get that tucked back out of the way. Go ahead, now release these clamps like so. 1, 2, like that. Now just go ahead and take the fuel filter up, straighten out. I always set it right here so it doesn't spill anymore. Grab your new fuel filter, take the plugs off, set it right back into place the same way you took it out. I usually get this connected first. Get it positioned, go ahead and lock these. You can run this over back to where it goes. Connect the breather hose. So that one's a little shorter than the other one I just took off. Quite a bit shorter actually. Must have updated the part number. So now take your fuel hose, pop it back on, scooch these clamps back down, grab your other fuel line. Get it back in position. This is where these spring pliers come in super handy. I don't recommend replacing these with a screw clamp. I see it all the time. These clamps are actually very effective when you're able to close them back up with the right tool. So if you see, you got the hook going over that side. So you want the flat side. If you have this style, if you have flat on both sides, doesn't matter, but flat on this side of the hose clamp. Go ahead and get it positioned like that. Lock it in place. Same thing with that one. There you go. Fuel lines are clicked back into place. Then you can take your engine cover, get your air box back into place, take your fuel filter, get it draining somewhere, oil catch, something along those lines. Grab your elbow, oil filler neck, battery jump terminal, go ahead and tighten down your intake tube. Make sure it's snug, don't have to go too tight with it. And then after you get that replaced, go ahead and hop in the vehicle. Turn the ignition to key position 2. Don't put your foot on the brake. Let it sit for 10-15 seconds or so. Obviously this is a Freightliner, but it doesn't matter, they have same things, literally all the same things. So go ahead and turn the ignition off, go to key position 2 one more time. That gives the fuel filter a good amount of time to prime. And then go ahead and hit the brake, start the engine. Shouldn't have any issues. Shouldn't have any long cranks if you primed it long enough. So that's how you replace the diesel fuel filter on the OM651 4-cylinder engine. If you've liked this how-to video and want to see more, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment any suggestions you might have in the comments below.